turn. For on this day I get to say, books take us on adventures each day. Tuesday's the day, Tuesday then Wednesday. Wednesday's the day we dance around, jumping high to the music sound. For on this day I get to say, sing along, let's twirl and sway. Wednesday's the day, Wednesday then Thursday. Thursday's the day we plant and grow, in the garden the seeds we sow. For on this day I get to say, watch the flowers bloom and blow. Thursday's the day, Thursday then Friday. Friday's the day we build and play, stacking blocks in a creative way. For on this day I get to say, let's imagine and create all day. Friday's the day, Friday then Saturday. Saturday's the day for outdoor fun, playing games in the bright warm sun. For on this day I get to say, bring your friends, let's laugh and run. Saturday's the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, what's your favorite day of the week?